Buying a used car can be a tricky process. Many buyers focus on the exterior condition, mileage, and interior features. But the most crucial factor is what's under the hood. The engine is the heart of any vehicle, and a well-built engine can mean the difference between a reliable long-term investment and a costly mistake. While some engines are notorious for breaking down and requiring expensive repairs, others are built to last, delivering exceptional performance and reliability for hundreds of thousands of miles. One of the most legendary engines in automotive history is the Toyota 2JZ GTE. This 3.0-liter inline-six turbocharged engine has gained a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Originally featured in the Toyota Supra, it was engineered with durability and performance in mind. What makes this engine truly special is its ability to handle extreme horsepower modifications while still maintaining reliability. With forged internals and a twin turbocharged setup, the 2JZ GTE is capable of producing immense power while remaining stable under high stress. Unlike many modern engines that rely on complex electronics and fragile components, this engine was built with precision and strength, making it a dream for car enthusiasts and tuners alike. If you ever come across a used car equipped with this engine, it is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that should not be overlooked. Another engine that stands out in terms of durability and efficiency is the Honda K20 and K24 series. Found in popular Honda models such as the Civic and Accord, these engines have become legendary for their ability to rev high, deliver excellent fuel efficiency, and last for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance. The K-series engines are known for their VTEC technology, which optimizes power delivery at different RPM ranges, giving them both fuel efficiency and performance when needed. Their lightweight design and advanced engineering make them one of the most sought-after four-cylinder engines. Whether in a sedan, coupe, or even a swapped project car, a Honda equipped with a K20 or K24 engine is always a smart purchase in the used car market. For those looking for a reliable V8 engine, the Toyota 1UZ FE is one of the best choices available. Originally designed for luxury Lexus models such as the LS400, this 4.0-liter V8 is famous for its smooth power delivery and incredible durability. Unlike many V8 engines that suffer from excessive wear and tear over time, the 1UZ FE was built with high-quality materials, including aluminum cylinder heads and a robust bottom end that can handle extreme mileage without major issues. Many owners have reported these engines running well beyond 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. This engine's quiet yet powerful nature makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and refined driving experience in a used car. Among American-made engines, one of the most respected and durable options is the Ford 300 inline-six. Found in older Ford trucks and work vehicles, this engine is widely regarded as one of the toughest and longest-lasting engines ever built. Known for its simple yet effective design, the Ford 300 was engineered with a cast-iron block and a straightforward mechanical setup that made it nearly indestructible. Many of these engines have been reported to last over 500,000 miles, often still running strong in old work trucks decades after they were first built. Unlike modern turbocharged engines that rely on complex technology, the Ford 300 is proof that simplicity and durability can go hand in hand. If you find a used truck with this engine, it is a guaranteed workhorse that will serve you well for years to come. Buying a used car can be a stressful process, but knowing which engines are worth investing in can make all the difference. While many engines wear out quickly and require costly repairs, some are designed to last a lifetime with proper care. The Toyota 2JZ GTE, Honda K20, K24, Toyota 1UZ FE, and Ford 300 inline-six are among the most reliable, powerful, and long-lasting engines ever built. If you see a used car equipped with any of these legendary engines, buying it immediately is a decision you won't regret. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert car advice. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know, what's your favorite engine of all time? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.